Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Philly Boy Jay's delicious potato salad, step by step. This classic Southern dish is perfect for any gathering. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including 2 pounds of red potatoes and 4 large eggs. You'll also need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip, and fresh chopped vegetables for that essential texture and flavor. First, let's get our main components cooking. Boil your 2 pounds of red potatoes in a large pot until they are perfectly fork tender, but not mushy. Simultaneously, hard boil 4 large eggs for approximately 20 minutes. Once cooked, immediately transfer the eggs to a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process. After cooling, peel and chop your eggs and dice the cooled potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Now for the heart of the flavor, the creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sweet relish and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your diced potatoes, chopped hard-boiled eggs, and finely chopped vegetables. Pour the prepared creamy dressing over this mixture. Carefully fold everything until all ingredients are evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate your potato salad for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating that perfect taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.